Hey kids, Manassas here. Today I'm going to show you a brand new thing, RCA Small Wonder Camcorder. If you see me recording a new movie, it's called the Doggy Movie. Click here on Manassas Senti to see an opening and closing. So, this is an RCA. If you turn it on, it will turn on. Yeah. I know the numbers look like a ripoff of Crayola. Go to the mode and take some pictures and say cheese. Say cheese. There you go. And then go to the play pause and see my brand new picture I took. Ooh. You can connect on TV. Hold on a second. So, this is the TV you connect.
Oh my god.
And this is where you do this. So, there's me doing this. And ever see me again could be in the rest. And I record it.
De 60 gigabytes.
Así está el mío. Yo voy a borrar todos los videos.
If you save the mode, you can watch videos like this. Sorry, my battery's running low. What? Seriously, it could be honestly. Back to the video mode is you can try to record. Oh, what the? If you notice, you could see a very green thing like green's my favorite color. And look. Green's my favorite color. And look. What's this? That's running, right? Then you take off the TV. You turn off the TV so nobody can waste the batteries. So, you know what it is. Yep, you can watch any mode of the TV television mode. If you turn it, wait, this is the delete button to delete, and this is the menu button. So you can try to make out of this thing. So, this is a TV out. Ah! What's wrong? This is TV output. You put PAL on it. Turn the TV on again. And put back that very old cable that I did. Ooh, wrong way. And you will see what happened. See guys, I just put PAL mode. And I couldn't see anything. Oh gosh. I couldn't see anything. It's going PAL. This is... I know guys, you won't be able to see. It's a PAL mode. See, it's a PAL mode. Look at that. Look at that crazy thing. The PAL mode by TV connector. That thing going crazy. See guys, it's going crazy. Yeah, if you can see me, I'm glitched. That's why I put crazy mode. Ah, I couldn't see anything. If you know this, hold on a second, I need to put the original mode. Okay, I just put normal mode. And Oops, sorry. Ah. See, it could be funny. Okay, guys, that is it. That does it for this RCA review for today. Till next week. If you want to see more reviews, please leave me in a comment down below, and I will make more videos. Goodbye.